You guys wanted it, so here you go. An in-depth look at the Mi Fit app and what it can track when paired with the brand new Mi Band 3. Spoiler alert, it's a whole lot. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. By the way, we're also giving away this Mi Band 3. More info on that at the end of this video. Now once you open the Mi Fit app, this is how it looks. If you have your Bluetooth turned on, give it a few seconds and the Mi Band 3 will sync all of your data. At a glance, you can see your steps, the distance you've walked and the calories burnt. Below that, you have your sleep data, heart rate and weight. We just started using the Mi Band 3, so right now we don't have any sleep data, but if you use the Mi Band consistently, you'll see all of it pop up in here. If you are someone who suffers from insomnia, this might be useful to analyze your sleep patterns, see how much deep sleep you get and all that. Personally though, I haven't found any sleep tracking, including what's on my favorite Fitbit, to be very accurate, so your mileage may vary here. Moving on to the next pane, we have the activity tracker. Now while you have the Mi Band on, you can click on any of the 4 activities and have the Mi Band 3 track your progress. So if you're someone who goes running on a regular basis or hits the treadmill at the gym every day, this would be really helpful to you. The best thing is that you can see all your daily activities in a monthly or weekly view, and that helps put all your workout sessions into perspective. Finally, let's move on to some of the more Mi Band 3 specific features. Clicking on profile gives you a brief overview of your personal profile and of course shows you your paired devices. We can see how much battery is left on a Mi Band from this pane itself, but to access some more detailed data, we need to click on it and delve further in. The first option in here is phone unlock. This one is pretty common and we can replicate this with any device that has Google Smart Lock enabled. Nonetheless, it is a pretty nifty way to bypass your phone's security measures when you have the Mi Band near you. Next up, another common feature, caller ID. So why mention it? Well, Xiaomi has included a feature that lets you stop the band from vibrating when calls from unknown numbers come in. Other than that, we have the usual bevy of alarms, reminders, as well as goal notifications, all of which causes the Mi Band to vibrate and notify you. Speaking of notifications, you can also receive notifications from apps. Just turn on app alerts and then select which apps you want to be alerted by and done. You get notifications right on your wrist. To reply to them though, you'll have to get back to your smartphone. However, if all these notifications keep annoying the crap out of you and Mi Band keeps buzzing all the time on your wrist, you can put it into DND mode. Moving on, if you're someone like my colleague Amartya who keeps forgetting where he put his phone, then the Find My Device feature on the Mi Band will come in really handy. Causes the phone to ring and helps you find it, basically. The reverse works too. Find My Band makes the band vibrate. Not as useful, but it's there. There are a few other options in there too, lift to wake, temperature control and unit selection, but I don't really think these are features that warrant an explanation. They are pretty self-explanatory. So let's wrap this one up with the feature that impressed us the most, behavior tagging. So in the past, a lot of the time fitness trackers have been inconsistent tracking activities. Like for example, they'd end up tracking cycling or biking as jogging or just sitting and typing as walking. The Mi Band 3 looks to get rid of all of that by training itself on how your body is moving and monitoring your heart rate when you're engaged in any particular activity. The data collected is really detailed. That's pretty cool, right? Well, at least we thought it was, and that's why we made this video for you guys. But what do you think? Do you like any of these features on the Mi Band 3? Tell us everything, what you liked, what you hated, and what feature you wish Xiaomi would add in future versions of the Mi Band. Tell us all about it in the comments below. And now, the giveaway. It's the same as always. Clean link in the description below. Click that, ensure you're subscribed to C4eTech. That's all you need to do. If you want to improve your chances, there are some self-explanatory options. This is gonna be an India only giveaway, so sorry. You know guys, it doesn't make sense to ship a Mi Band 3 out of India because the shipping would cost more than the cost of the Mi Band 3. And again, I don't really, with the smaller sites, to some countries they'd probably ship with post, and I might run into issues with that, which is why I'm going to keep this India only. The next time when we do a phone, we'd probably do a global one, so sorry guys. Anyway, this giveaway is going to run till the 27th of July. It's going to be a short giveaway because it's just a Mi Band 3. We're not doing a big phone here. So it's just going to run till the 27th of July and a winner will be declared on the 29th of this month. You can ask me a million times before that. I'm not going to be having an answer for you. A winner will be declared on the 29th of this month, Sunday, via Twitter and Ash Answers. So follow us on our official Twitter handle at C4eTech to stay updated with all of our latest giveaways as well as host of other tech news. So that's it for this video. If you hated it because, I don't know, you hate fitness or you hate giveaways, well, you know what to do. But if you did like it, throw us a giant like, get subscribed to C4eTech and smash that bell button to get notified every time a new video goes live on C4eTech. And now it's time I bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.